I'm going to look at how to change what these buttons on the left do in the menu settings. So each of these is a direct button into a particular menu. So the DBT stands for direct button. So when you first switch this on, if you click that top one, it's set to monitor, and it's just showing you the position of the various inputs. This is only set to 2 channels, so you've only got the throttle and the steering. So if I turn the throttle up, you can see it move. It's just an indicator. That's like full brake. So that, where's it gone? That little dash indicates the sort of 100% value, because you can change the settings beyond 100%. The steering one, you can see, is off to one side. It's kind of inverse. Like if I turn to the right, that is going to the left. And the reason it's like that is because I've got the sub trim off to the right for my particular model setting. So if I want to go into the system, I can click straight there, and then I can rotate to, I don't know, go further into the menus. So a reasonably useful one might be the second one, the timer, because if you click that, it takes you to the timer menu, and then you can more quickly find the down timer and go into it and maybe start it. I put in another video how I've set the ability to start this down timer using the button up here. So just to recap, I am going to show how to change one of these buttons so it doesn't go to what it currently goes to. So at the moment the second one goes to the timer menu, but let's look at how we can change that. So if I go into this one here, direct BT, so that's the direct buttons menu. It means you can change here what these buttons do. So sorry, just to go back to the beginning. So if I press that OK button here and I go to system settings, then I go to change what the direct buttons do. So I enter that. And then here, I want to change the second button, which at the moment is pointing at the timer menu. And I want to directly go to the actual countdown timer menu. So I'm highlighting the second button that I want to edit. I press OK to go into it. And then on the right here, you can see the available choices that I have. So I can tell that button to go straight to one of these things on the right. Now at the moment, it's already set to timer menu, but I want to go straight to the countdown timer. So I'm going to highlight that and press OK. And now it says down timer there. So now if I go back to the main screen, these dark parts here indicate what each button does. So now my direct button 2 goes straight to the down timer. So if I'm on the rostrum, I can just click this button and it immediately takes me to the down timer. Okay, let's reset that. So just to go back to the beginning, I know that I can turn my down timer on using this button as shown in a previous video. And now, because to reset it, the only way to reset it is to go actually into the menu here and highlight the reset button. So that might be a bit of a pain, but now I can do it more quickly. So I can operate the timer. If I want to see it, I'm just going to press that button now, and immediately I can actually see, you know, how long I've got left. Okay. If I've accidentally pressed it, you know, too early before I've actually started running, I can sort of stop it. To reset it, I can highlight reset. Okay, and now I'm ready to go again. So I'm waiting for my practice to start, and I can just press it again when I'm ready. Okay, as I said previously, usually this would be set for, you know, like a 5-minute run. Okay, so I'll turn on my transmitter, I'll go up to the rostrum, I'm ready to start, I'll just click that, and now I'm ready to go. So then when I'm ready, I'll just click the top button up here, and that's it. So that's how you can set these buttons here to go to a different menu within the menus.